Remove the plastic knob from the valve positioner by simply pulling. Remove the valve positioner from the valve block by turning it anti-clockwise using a 40 mm torque wrench. When removing, make sure that the valve block does not get soiled in any way. Check that there is no dirt on the valve block or thread. If necessary, clean the valve block and thread using a damp cloth. Ensure that the valve positioner is completely turned to the open position so that the piston cannot drop out of the valve positioner. Apply 2 drops of the enclosed adhesive to the thread. Screw the valve positioner into the valve block. To do this, use a torque wrench with 8 Nm. Replace the plastic knob on the valve positioner and insert the locking split pin into the plastic knob. Now, fit the respective colored cover onto the plastic knob and you're done. If the valve can be turned, the installation was successful.